Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Collaborating on your Wix website has never been easier. In this tutorial, learn how to add team members to help you build, edit, and manage your site, ensuring a seamless workflow and successful project completion. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, Wix team or the dev team has this article that explains by details how you can manage collaborators, add them and remove them, and assign tasks to them. So, let's get started. Now, as an app owner, you can invite people to work on your app, assign them roles, and set their permissions in the app dashboard. There is two main role types: the app owner, which can perform any action in the account and is considered an admin. Only the owner can request to close an account. The app co-owner can edit, publish, and manage the app, including creating extensions, adding webhooks and permissions, and inviting people. They can't archive or change ownership of the app. Note: if you need to transfer owner right to another user, let us know and we will do it for you. Now, to invite a new collaborator, you have to do these four main steps. First of all, go to the collaborators page in your app's dashboard. So, you have to go to the collaborators page. So it can be here, but it is not this one. So this one is for basically for customers lead. You have to go to apps basically, or basically search for it right through here. So you can search here for collaborator. As you can see, you will find roles and permissions. Now, from this area, guys, you will be able to function or to do this permission, which is invite collaborators, which is included right over here. You can click on it, and basically here, guys, you are going to manage a couple of settings. First of all, the email of the collaborator that you want to invite. You can include multiple emails, so you can invite multiple people as once, but that's only if they are going to have the same role, the same permissions, so you don't spend a lot of time doing this. So let's simply write here an email, for example, collaborator@tutorial.com. That's it. Now we are going to manage the roles. So the general roles are these ones: the co-owner, which has the same accessibility that I have as an admin or an owner, beside deleting or transferring the sites. So it's a copy of your main account, basically does have the permission to only delete and transfer the sites. There's the website manager, has access to manage, edit, and publish sites, but cannot manage billings, delete, duplicate, or transfer sites. There is the website designer, which can only edit the sites, manage settings and apps, but cannot access inbox, contacts, and other sensitive informations. There is the back office manager, can access the dashboard to manage site settings and apps, but cannot edit the site itself. And there is the content writer, can edit text, links, and media sources for the site, and collections in the CMS. Can also publish sites after the editing. Now, these are the general roles, so let's go down for the CMS roles. There is two main roles in the CMS. There is the CMS editor, which can add and modify content for all collections, but cannot edit other areas of your site. There is the CMS admin, which can modify content and field structure for all collections, but cannot edit other areas for your site. Now, for the billing roles, there is the billing manager. You can purchases, manage subscriptions, and payment methods and connect a domain to the site. There's also the domain manager, which can connect and manage domains but cannot make purchases. There's the marketing and customer management role, which is first of all we have marketing manager, can manage all marketing tools, contacts, automations, and view the site analytics. And there is the customer relations manager, can manage contacts, forms, tasks, workflows, automations, and communicate in inbox but cannot export contacts. There is also store roles, which are basically the store manager, can view and manage store products, categories, orders, sales channels, store settings, shipping, and tax. There's the point of sale roles, which are store manager and cashier. For the store manager, can perform all actions in POS and access the dashboard but cannot edit payments details on site. And basically cashier, which can check out customers with POS but cannot access the dashboard or edit product catalog. Finally, we have payment roles like payment manager, which can view and manage customer payments, domains, or subscriptions. You note if you assign or unassign all collaborators, this role will no longer be available. You can assign the same permissions using the new roles or create custom one. There is payments admin, which is basically has a full access to set up Wix payment, manage payment options, and money in the account, and view payments, payouts, settlements reports, and tax documents. Tax documents are only applicable for businesses located in the US. Finally, we have the financial manager, which can manage money in the account and view payments, payouts, and settlement reports. So these are the main roles that you will have in your account. And finally, you have create a custom role, which lets you create a role specifically for something. For example, if you want logo maker, for example, can access my logo, edit, download logo files, multilingual, portfolio, mobile app store, anything. You can even in editor choose exactly what to give. You can just give it save, and this role should be created. Simply just give it a name and a description so it can be saved in your role sections. And that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Once you have done that, the invite will be sent to the collaborator. All he needs to do is to open his inbox and click on the link, and it should be all done. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.